Hi everybody, my name is Alexander and on 7th of May 2025, I uploaded my first video to YouTube. Since then, I've gained over 5,000 subscribers, over 500,000 views, and over 28,000 watch hours on this platform. Now, these are not some mind-blowing numbers, but they certainly are a start. And today I would like to share with you what I've learned during this time, and I would like to show you practical advice on growing your channel, finding your audience. And just to be clear, this is not a YouTube guru tutorial on how to blow up on YouTube overnight. No, this is just practical, experience-based, concrete, real-life advice based on my perspective of being 1 year on this platform. Now, I want this video specifically to be about how to start and how to find momentum in the early stages and how to reach the first major thresholds on this platform, which is 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and 4,000 watch hours, which may feel daunting at first, and it may even feel downright impossible. But in reality, they're very attainable stepping stones that require the proper work ethic, mindset, and perhaps the most important, the understanding of how YouTube growth actually works and how it actually happens in real life. So the first thing, how to start. This couldn't be any more simple, and I don't want to sound corny or cheap or redundant here, but really it is as simple as that. Just do it. Just start. Literally just turn on your phone camera and go. Because let's be honest, your first videos, no one's gonna watch them. And that's fine. And your first videos are probably gonna suck. And that's also fine. That's not a problem. What you need to realize is that unless you are extremely lucky, nobody is watching your first videos. You may get 5, 10, 20, 50 views before they just die, meaning that YouTube will stop recommending your videos to a new audience. The videos will just flatline and die. And this is the reality of starting a new YouTube channel. This is the reality for your first videos that you need to expect, and you need to treat this as something normal. You may find that discouraging, but really you should treat this as a very nice learning opportunity. The first videos you're gonna make, just post them. No one's gonna watch them anyway, and you can learn a lot from making them. Maybe they're a little goofy, maybe they're amateur, maybe you don't know how to act in front of the camera yet, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that you will be able to train all these things that need to happen. So, editing, acting, everything that we do behind the scenes that needs to happen before the video gets posted on YouTube, you will get better at it, and every single video, every next video that you make is going to be better than the previous one. And if you show up consistently, this will show the YouTube algorithm and your potential audience that you are here to stay. If you show up consistently, keep posting regularly, that is a great sign for the algorithm and for the people interested in the type of content you want to make, that you are serious about this, that you will stay on the platform, and that it's good to invest in you. Your worst enemy in these beginning stages of YouTube creation is perfectionism. What perfectionism can do to you is it can literally prevent you from ever posting anything, because you will always be searching for something better. You will always think that what you just did is not good enough, and so you will never actually post any video onto YouTube, or you will take decades to post anything because you will search for the better, the more perfect thing. You should never do this at first. You should really go with the flow and just keep on posting. Also, perfectionism can rob you of the learning opportunity, because as you post videos, you get better at them. If you don't post them, then how are you going to learn how to do them properly? So really, you need to, if you are a perfectionist and you struggle with this trait, then really you need to work on that and just keep showing up, and keep posting. So this is the number one rule. Show up, keep going, be consistent, show YouTube and your audience that you are serious about this and that you are here to stay. So now we can go to stage two. You're showing up, you're posting consistently. You've posted like 5, 10 videos, and none of them really surpassed like 100, 200 views, and you're getting a little discouraged. So now let me show you the analytics from my channel just to prove the point that I'm going to make. Now here are the statistics from my channel for the first 5 months of posting. Now, as you can see here, nothing's really happening. You know, there are little tiny spikes, but we're looking at like 150 views daily at the highest spikes here. So really nothing's happening until basically the middle of September, and I started in May. So this is a little bit of a more conservative, this is a little bit more of a realistic approach to YouTube growth, something that you can actually expect to happen. You know, there are these gurus out there telling you that, oh, you can blow up in 3 or 8 days and reach monetization and all that. You're probably not going to see that. And so this is a little bit more of a realistic view on what you can expect. So it took me 5 months for anything to pick up at all, just a tiny bit of momentum and steam to roll. So, and you know, we're not talking crazy numbers here. I went to like 400, 500 views per day, nothing crazy, but still it felt huge. And in regards to YouTube, the snowball effect is real. And really, if you keep showing up, if you keep posting, this will happen, but it can take a lot of time. And you need to be prepared for this. So this is really something that you need to understand. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. For most of us, for the absolute majority of creators, it doesn't work like that. It will take some time for things to pick up a little tiny bit of momentum, and that is okay. There is a lot of grind, work, and just like I said, consistent showing up that needs to happen before a breakthrough occurs. So I guess the advice here is really generic, but really very true. Don't give up. So many people have bloated, unrealistic expectations of what's going to happen when they post this first video, second, third, fifth video. It's going to blow up and they're going to become rich and everything is going to align and they're going to become this new celebrity. And then it doesn't happen for them, and so they just quit. They just drop off because they have these unrealistic expectations right from the start. Don't do this to yourself, because there's really a lot of fun to be had creating, and there's really a lot of interactions with your audience that you will miss because you simply dropped out too quickly because of your unrealistic expectations. Don't do this to yourself. So when did I get 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and 3,000 watch hours and 4,000 watch hours? Let's check it. I've reached 500 subs on 14th of October 2025, and I've reached 1,000 subscribers on 18th of October 2025. Isn't that crazy? It took me over 5 months to build the first 500 subscribers. But the next 500 subscribers to reach the 1,000 took me 4 days. And this is something that I want you to realize. And I want you to remember this, that the snowball effect when it comes to YouTube is real. You may see zero growth for a very long time, and then you will see a real spike and you will see that it actually paid off. So stay consistent, post, grow, enjoy the journey, have fun, and you will see the results. So now let's go over to the watch hours. This is usually the more difficult part, and it was the more difficult part for me as well. So I've reached 3,000 watch hours on 16th of November 2025, and I've reached 4,000 watch hours on 20th of December 2025. Now here is the next insane part. To put that into perspective, it took me almost 8 months to get 4,000 watch hours. From 7th of May 2025 to 20th of December 2025. And then from 20th of December 2025 till today, which is 19th of April 2026. So in 4 months, I got over 24,000 watch hours. This really pictures the snowball effect I talked about earlier. So really, keep at it, don't give up, focus on what you're passionate about, and let the world see you. Keep showing up, make your content, post it, and it will pay off in the long run. Just remember that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It doesn't work like that. Make sure that you treat it with realistic expectations. Don't let the perfectionist inner critic ruin it for you. And as the classic goes, just do it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.